Guys, we got a '05 Chevy Corvette. Built. He just put a lot of money into it. And then our friends at the shop told him to come here and get the exhaust done. So that's what we did. Got factory converter there and there. We're gonna put long tube headers on it next in a few months. Got an H pipe there, factory. Then 2.5 inch pipe all the way back on each side. And then we added more 2.5 inch pipe for a muffler delete, as you guys can see. And we put quad tips out the back. Dual tips, really clean tips. Finish the look, staggered. Look at that, just really clean. That was the 2 mufflers and tips that were on it originally that we cut off. Too quiet, much better. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, make sure you subscribe. Just wait till he gets the gas. Oh yeah, perfect. Again? There's sound decibels. That's how they all should sound, man. Built cam. Yeah, that sounds good. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy Corvette, built 2004. We just did a rear muffler delete, still got an H pipe on it. Factory converters, factory manifold.